And they're off. Yes, he's the man from mid-pack, shows a lot of speed and heads right out for the lead. Blazing Rate is fast from the rail, going to try to run with him early, and Dream of Angel settles into a good spot third, and he's only 2.5 lengths back as they leave the shoot and move on to the main track. Then we come back to Bucharest to the inside of Captain Cameron, and Who's Crying Now will have to win it from about 11 lengths back. They're strung out with 5 furlongs to run. Yes, he's the man on a free lead under Julio Garcia. Yes, he's the man, leads at about 1.5 lengths. Dream of Angels into the second spot. Blazing Rate is close enough if good enough. Maybe need some racing room as they go toward the far turn. Bucharest has 5.5 to make up. Then Captain Cameron, Who's Crying Now, about 14 lengths back. They're into the turn. Yes, he's the man, about to be confronted by Dream of Angels, who's getting closer from the outside. Blazing Rate bides his time behind those two leaders. Captain Cameron trying to rally from the back of the pack. He's putting in a good move, still 4.5 lengths back of Dream of Angels, and yes, he's the man. Dream of Angels to the outside, sticks ahead in front. Yes, he's the man's going to have to re-rally from the rail. They straighten away, and it's Dream of Angels hitting the front. Dream of Angels opening up at the furlong pole. Yes, he's the man, now shifts to the outside. Dream of Angels, yes, he's the man. They're a 16th out. Dream of Angels and Elvis Trujillo lead it by 2, and Dream of Angels will win it today. Yes, he's the man with second. Then Who's Crying Now and Captain Cameron.